Hello people, I'm Bharat Acharya. Welcome to a new video. So in today's video, we're going to learn these two instructions of 8085 called sim and rim. This is a continuation of the interrupts video. So the previous video we made was interrupt structure, where we learned the whole interrupt topic of 8085. So you saw all its interrupts, they are working, what happens when an interrupt occurs, how does the processor go to an ISR, etc. Now that's done. Now during that, the diagram that we had seen called the interrupt structure, that diagram has a lot to do with these two instructions, sim and rim. Now sim stands for set interrupt mask. I repeat, set interrupt mask. So this is an instruction by which we, the programmer, can mask interrupts and then again unmask them and then mask them again as many times as we like. What do you mean by masking? Disabling. Now you would say we can also disable interrupts by writing the instruction DI. Agreed. But when you write DI, all interrupts are disabled. Whereas in sim, you can choose and pick which one you want, which one you don't want. So that's what basically sim instruction does. Now that's not the only thing though. Sim is a multi-purpose instruction. So sim is a command that we give to enforce action. Rim is a command that we give to read what is going on in the system. So I'm going to be explaining both of them to you along with instructions how to use sim and rim. Now before all of that, I have been, what's been happening of late, you know that we have made our own website. This was the introduction to the video. The whole video is there on our website. It's called bharatacharyaeducation.com. In fact, we've also made our app. The app will be released in 2 days from now, March 20th, 2018. If you've seen the video after that, then obviously the app is already there. It's the app is an Android app. It's there on the Android Play Store, Google Play Store. And once you download the app, register yourself for the respective channel, let's say 8085 in case you want to watch 8085. You can watch all the videos of 8085. You can also download the videos on your phone. So in case you don't want to spend too much on the data, because each video is huge in size. Suppose you go to college or any place where you have access to internet, just keep the video for downloading at home, wherever you want to, when you're traveling, even if you're at a place where there is no internet, the video is already there in your phone. You can watch it again and again, just hook yourself up to the headphones, earphones, whatever. That's it, you're set. You can keep learning the whole subject on your way without wasting time, and in fact learning it in a very detailed manner. Moreover, another feature that we are allowing or we've introduced in our app is the soft copy of my book. So with every video, the part of the book which has theory about that particular video or about that particular chapter will be available with the video. So you finish watching the video, there'll be a button. All you need to do is hit that button and you can see the whole answer. Okay, pages and pages of the whole answer. So you not only have an explanation from the video, you also have the actual answer with you. So making it easier for you to learn and understand. Anyway, and there are more features. You can skip ahead, skip behind like you do on YouTube. You can change the playback speed in case you're watching it last minute and you're in a rush to finish the video. You can play it at a much higher speed if you want to, etc. So those are added features. The app is ready. We are just testing it. Round the clock testing is going on because there are so many various conditions that can happen. So we're doing that. Finishing touches, few features, tweaks here and there happening. Within 2 days from now, the app will be ready for release and will be released on March 20th. And you can download it. The app will be the same name, bharatacharyaeducation.com. If you already subscribed on the website, you don't need to pay anything extra. The subscription automatically continues in the app as well. Okay, hope to see you there.